welcome to Okay, so you want to get the Haribos and you want to put them in the bowl, and then you want to get the waffle. Oh, Jesus Christ! So then what you want to do is you want to get the waffles, and you just want to toast those bad boys for a couple minutes. So then you want to take them out. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh.
Well, you're supposed to check before you do it, man. You okay, bro?
Okay, so edit it out. Okay, so we're gonna put it in for a bit longer, and we're just gonna have to, you know, let it.
Do the spoon.
What?
I seen the devil, he's in you women, you need saving to listen to this, see. Follow him home, cut the right corner so nobody sees you. Turn off your phone, leave it at home so nobody can trace you. Mask your expressions, appear to be calm, they won't read your intentions. As soon as you're in, let them all know who they're all in the presence of. I am a murderer, I am a demon, the son of a serpent. What is your faith? What is your worth? Have you felt acknowledged it? If I kill you now, will you go to heaven or hell you believe in? Death is approaching you, 30 seconds, think before lying, bless you.